Nature, and with all its diversity and complexity, is an interconnected web of forces and elements that coexist in a delicate balance. In this context, natural stone plays a fundamental role, not just as a geological element, but as one of the Earth's material foundations. Rocks are the memory and mirror of the Earth's evolution, reflecting the forces of nature that formed them. Wind erosion, the heat of volcanoes, the movement of tectonic plates. Stones are not only part of the natural environment, but also have a profound relationship with the cycles of life. Formed under pressure and over time, they can be seen as a metaphor for the resistance and adaptability of nature, which goes through seasonal changes with the same kind of resilience and transformation. The warm colors, rich textures, and patterns that dominate nature in autumn evoke the elegance and refinement of certain natural stones. The vines are dressed in warm tones, vibrant colors that remind us of natural stones like fleur rouge. The texture of the travertine silver, with variations of gray, reflects the rusticity of the tree trunks. The rain falls softly, accumulating on the floor, and as it reflects the light, it evokes the tones of fantastic white granite. This rain makes wild herbs sprout, which with their vivid shades of green, remind us of the splendor of botanic green. The moss that appears on the stones reminds us of forest green. The green leaves that persist on the trees remind us of emerald green. The fungus-covered earth reminds us of the details of Belvedere. And the variety of colors of the fallen leaves on the ground remind us of the luxurious Noir Saint Laurent. Still in brown tones, we have brown silk, which, with its aligned veins, reminds us of the filaments of chestnut bark. A few clouds appear, which against the blue backdrop of the sky evoke the patterns of Amadeus light premium marble. And when these clouds are few and the sun is strong behind them, we can visualize crystal white by its translucency. The morning fog, still under cover of darkness, has an appearance that evokes the color of Azul Atlántico. And when the sun rises, we can contemplate Perla Santana. The sunset is one of the most poetic scenes that nature has to offer. The purple tones in the sky remind us of the pattern of the Calicut viola. The colors of the sky at dusk are similar to those of the tundra gray. At this time of year, the weather isn't constant. There are warm days when, between the trees in the forest, there's a golden haze that reminds us of beige stones, such as Versailles Cream Extra Premium and Mocha Cream Medium. In the higher regions and with the arrival of colder days, the first frosts appear on the hills, whose white tones under the green colors remind us of luminous. And the first snowfalls paint the landscapes white, inspired by luxury white premium, Mont Blanc, and sky white Monte Cristo. The The aurora borealis in the skies of the polar regions are works of art that remind us of Lady African Black. This is the season when nature reveals that, just like natural stones, the colors of autumn are a testimony to the transformations that take place over time. Nature creates stones over millions of years, and Granisel Real brings the world a unique selection of these stones, enhanced by beauty and quality, ready to be transformed into works of art.